Project 2, Fall 2018 semester. Now this project does have an Excel component, but you do not have to turn an Excel project in. I just need a Word document. And so I'm just going to kind of walk through this so that you can kind of see what's expected. It's got 3 parts. You can see them listed 1, 2, 3 right here. So let's just kind of go through. The first thing that I want to show you is that you are doing a comparison between you as a college graduate and then a high school graduate who's earning $21,000 a year, okay? You're going to use absolute and relative change in this paper. All right, so as we're looking through this, keep those values and that in mind. So part 1 is an income comparison. Now, you can just Google, like if you want to be a nurse and you want to live in Hawaii, then you might Google average salary for a nurse in Hawaii. Boom. And now you can compare that to the high school graduate earning $21,000, right? Use absolute relative change. So notice these white boxes here, this is your rubric. So when you're doing part 1, make sure you answer all things needed to answer those, to check off those 2 white boxes. Then you're going to go to a housing comparison. All right, now notice this says you plan to spend 1/5 of your gross monthly income. So if your gross monthly income is $4,000, 1/5 of that, so divide it by 5, $800 would be your house payment. Okay, and then you're going to use your Excel functions, right, to figure out what you need. And so you've got 3 requirements for this piece. Make sure you hit all 3 of them. Explain in your paper what Excel function you used, right? So I use equals, blah, whatever. Type it in. You don't have to actually turn in the Excel document. I just need the information in your write-up. Okay, I want to make sure to make that clear. But you got 3 pieces. Then the last piece is a retirement comparison. So again, it tells you here's your expected return. You're using 8% of your gross monthly income, so 0.08 times your monthly income, and that kind of thing. Again, you've got 3 requirements. At any point in time, if you are not sure on part of this, shoot me an email. Tell me what section you're working on and what your question is, and I will do my best to answer your question. All right, but notice there are 8 white boxes. That means each one of those boxes is roughly 12 points. So if you skip 1, you're automatically at a B. You skip 2, you're at a C. So basically it's a letter grade per white box that you skip. All right. These are just things to make sure that you've done. But if you hit those 8 boxes, you're probably good. I know this says Excel and Word, but you can delete Excel. I just need a Word document. Okay, so make sure you're going through that. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys.